Are you ready to discover one of the easiest affiliate programs out there? In this video, I'll guide you through a simple affiliate marketing method that can help you earn $100 per day using only free traffic and without the hassle of selling anything. Let's dive in. You're likely aware of the power of short-form content, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Snapchats, and TikToks. But did you know there's still a vast number of YouTube channels not utilizing short-form content? That's where your opportunity lies. Introducing Opus Clip, a revolutionary tool available at opus.pro. With just a click, Opus Clip transforms long-form videos into engaging shorts, complete with B-rolls, captions, music, and reframing. It's a game changer for content creators, enabling them to repurpose their videos for maximum reach on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Now, how can you benefit from this? Simply become an affiliate of Opus Clip by signing up on their website. With a straightforward process that takes less than 2 minutes, you can start earning a recurring 25% commission for every user you refer. But how do you find these potential users? One strategy is to search for podcasts on YouTube, long videos with untapped potential for short-form content. Reach out to podcast creators, introduce them to Opus Clip, and watch as they unlock the power of short-form content for their audience. Alternatively, target YouTube creators who haven't yet explored short-form content. By demonstrating the value of Opus Clip in converting their lengthy videos into bite-sized content, you can attract them to the platform and earn commissions in the process. Now here's the secret sauce. Personalize your outreach. Craft an email tailored to each creator, highlighting the benefits of Opus Clip and including your affiliate link. By showing genuine interest in helping them improve their content strategy, you'll increase the likelihood of engagement and conversions. But why stop there? Enhance your outreach by creating personalized video messages using Loom. A short video demonstrating the features and benefits of Opus Clip can significantly boost engagement and conversions, setting you apart from other affiliates. As your affiliate earnings grow, consider outsourcing the outreach process to a virtual assistant. By delegating the task of identifying and contacting potential users, you can scale your efforts and maximize your passive income potential. In summary, promoting Opus Clip as an affiliate offers a simple yet lucrative opportunity to monetize free traffic. By leveraging short-form content and personalized outreach strategies, you can tap into a vast market of content creators and earn passive income while helping them enhance their content strategy. Ready to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level? Consider subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.